Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a very delicious dinner recipe, some spicy rice and fish that's really perfect for dinner. So let's get to today's video. So guys, I'm just going to start by boiling my rice. So I'm just going to add 4 cups of water to my pot. I'm going to add some little oil and some salt to taste, and then I'm going to cover my pot and put my pot to a boil. After that, all I'm going to do is just to add my rice. I already prepared and washed my rice. As you can see, it's still hot. I'm sorry, it's still wet. So after adding my rice, and then I'm just going to mix well to make sure there is no rice stuck at the bottom of my pot. So guys, as you know, I'm sorry, I meant you have to double the amount of water. So I cooked 2 cups of rice. That means your water should be 4 cups and a half. So the water in my rice, as you can see, my rice is ready. The water in my rice, it's not fully drained. So guys, as you can see, our rice is ready. I'm just clearly showing you. I'm then going to set it aside. So guys, moving on, I started to fry our rice in a pot instead of a pan. So guys, I'm really sorry about that. So I added my oil to that pot, enough oil that I thought was enough to fry the rice, and then I added my 1 large chopped red onion. So guys, later I transferred the onion and the oil to my pan, as you can see. So it's a pan fried rice, guys. Just go straight and fry your rice on your pan. So I'm just going to fry my onions until they are translucent, and then I'm going to add my peppers. So I used red pepper and green pepper. So you can use yellow pepper, whichever type of bell pepper you want to use. And then I'm going to mix well as shown in the video, and then I'm going to fry my peppers for a little while again as shown in the video. So guys, after letting my peppers fry for a little while, I'm going to add my favorite seasoning. I'm going to add 2 of my Royco cubes, beef flavor, and then I'm going to add my paprika. So I added a 1/4 tablespoon of ground paprika, and also I'm going to add 1/2 tablespoon of ground ginger. So guys, you can use fresh crushed ginger. I'm sorry about that. I also added my black pepper, 1/2 tablespoon, and some cayenne or cayenne. I really don't know how to pronounce that, but I think it's cayenne, hot pepper. And then I'm going to mix well as shown in the video. So guys, after I'm going to mix my peppers together with my spices. I'm sorry about that. And then I'm going to add our rice bit by bit as I mix. So guys, after when you reach this point of the video, you are going to ditch your wooden spoon, and then you are going to use a fork to mix so that you don't break the rice. So as you can see, I speeded this part of the video, but really you have to really mix carefully. That's why we are using our forks right here. So you have to add your rice bit by bit as you mix, so that the spices that we added really get into that rice. I don't know if that's the right word for it, but you have to mix your rice well. I hope you can understand what I mean by that. So I'll leave it to watch me for a little while, and I'll be right back. So guys, my rice is ready. After mixing it well and adding the right amount of rice that was enough for me, I'm going to set it aside. So guys, moving on, we're going to prepare our fish. I'm going to add some oil to my pot. I'm going to then preheat that oil. I'm going to add some of my green onion or spring onions. I'm going to fry them to golden brown, and then I'm going to add my tomatoes, 3 medium-sized tomatoes chopped, and then I'm going to cover my pot and let them soften. And then after a while, I'm just going to mix my tomatoes again as shown in the video. And then now I'm going to add my coriander, my chopped coriander as shown in the video, cilantro, parsley, whatever you wanna call it. And then I'm going to mix well again as shown in the video. And then moving on, I'm going to add some water, but I think it's enough to boil my fish, to cook my fish. I'm sorry about that. I'm also going to add some salt to taste, and then I'm going to cover my pot and put it to a boil again. So guys, after our water is boiled, fully boiled, so I'm just going to add our fish. I used tilapia fish. You can use whatever fish you want to use, guys. I'm going to add two of my fried tilapia fish as shown in the video. And then I'm going to mix. And then I'm going to cover my pot and cook my fish until it's tender. So guys, again after a while, our fish is fully cooked. As you can see, I'm now just opening my pot, and as you can see, our fish is ready and most of our water is drained. So since it's fish stew, there has to be stew in it, guys. I drained so much of the water, but not all of it. So guys, our rice and our fish is ready. So that's our rice right there. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos, and see you in my next video. Bye.